To share a Whoop charge, follow these simple steps. First, ensure your Whoop device is fully charged and paired with your smartphone via Bluetooth. Open the Whoop app and navigate to the Settings menu. Select the option to share your membership and choose the type of share you want. Either a one-time guest pass or a recurring share with a friend or family member. When sharing a charge, you can choose to share your entire membership or just a portion of it, such as access to certain features or data insights. Make sure to review and agree to the terms of service before confirming the share. The person you are sharing with will receive an invitation to join your shared membership and can accept or decline the offer. To manage shared memberships, go to the Settings menu and select the Shared Memberships option. From here, you can view all active shares, add or remove shares, and adjust the level of access for each shared user. It is essential to regularly review and update your shared memberships to ensure you are only sharing your data with trusted individuals. Best practices for sharing a Whoop charge include only sharing your membership with people you trust, regularly reviewing and updating your shared memberships, and being mindful of the level of access you grant to each shared user. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely share your Whoop charge with others, enhancing your fitness journey and overall wellness.